Hello, everybody. It's Thursday, March 28th. I found this on Twitter X, and I found this interesting. I'm starting to merge from the comet to the eclipse, both of them. I'm still going to do the comet, but check this out.
This scroll completely breaks down April 8th. Check this out.
7 years ago, we had an eclipse. That eclipse went over 7 cities named Salem. Now, exactly 7 years later, we have this other eclipse on April 8th going over 7 cities named Nineveh, not to mention the city of Rapture, Indiana. God says in the book of Luke that before he comes back, he will give us signs in the sun, the moon, and the stars. We also have the moon, which is turning to rust. The Greek origin of that rust, hematite, means blood. He says the moon will turn to blood before the terrible day of the Lord. The Euphrates River drying up. We have wars and we have rumors of wars. Not to mention every other biblical prophecy that has already been fulfilled. We are literally in the last seconds of the last days, y'all. And our God is so loving and kind enough to warn us before he comes back.
Okay, one thing. I remember hearing one minister, and I wish I would have saved it, when it says nation versus nation. But in Aramaic, the language Jesus spoke, it was ethnic versus ethnic. If anybody could confirm that, verify that, that would be very important because that's happening right now. Continue.
We are in the last seconds of the last days. And it's so frustrating to be on this app sometimes. I just got a video of 1.5 million views taken down because I was talking about how tired I am of this world. Tired of looking up in the sky and seeing the lines. I'm tired of our food being poisoned, whatever. It just reminds me of the enemy's plans and how active he is to distract anybody right now because he knows that the time is near. He knows that God is coming back soon. And so he's going to do his valiant effort to try to get as many souls to go to where he lives. And I just want to remind everybody that you have time right now. This eclipse is not the rapture. It is a direct warning from God. It is written about thousands of years ago, and it is coming to pass. We are watching biblical prophecy play out.
No, that was a summary right there. So true. I posted videos. I posted in one of my comment videos of other 3 sites that I recommended that talks about the eclipse that have golden nuggets. Everybody is getting basically the same road, but then they're added different nuggets, each individual, and which the other individual don't have. There's more. This is coming down. This is going to be coming down very quick when it gets to the 7th day, 6th day, 5-day countdown. There's more. Check this one out.
So what you're about to see is me asking Alexa about the Serpent Deity program that NASA has created, and they will be shooting 3 rockets at the eclipse on the day of the solar eclipse on April 8th. I didn't believe it. Someone sent that to me. I'm like, come on, they don't have a program called Serpent Deity. But they do. Please tell me what you think. As soon as I ask Alexa, comment, because Can you tell me about NASA's new program called Serpent Deity?
NASA has launched a new program called Serpent Deity as part of the Artemis program. The program, dubbed Viper, aims to develop technologies and techniques for sustainable lunar exploration. The initiative is focused on exploring the lunar South Pole, which is believed to contain water ice and other resources. Viper's objectives include conducting detailed surveys of the lunar surface and assessing the feasibility of extracting and using lunar resources.
Alexa, is the Serpent Deity going to be doing anything during the eclipse?
From Wikipedia.org, in Kapampangan mythology, Lao is depicted as a bird-like dragon or serpent that causes both solar and lunar eclipses. However, its features are closer to the demon Rahu.
Alexa, what is NASA's Serpent Deity going to be doing on the eclipse on April 8th?
In ancient Egyptian mythology, the serpent deity Sobek is sometimes depicted as pursuing the sun god Ra, and during certain instances nearly consumes the sun disk, resulting in an eclipse. The April 8, 2024 total solar eclipse will be a significant astronomical event that...
Also, we have news of CERN acting up, firing up its hydrogen converter on the same day as the eclipse. We got a lot of activity happening behind the scenes. And also, remember, NASA and others are not providing any close-up of the comet. And I mentioned that over and over again. Nothing. No close-up, no Webb telescope, nada. Absolutely nada. Nothing. Okay, I got a site here, Graham Supreme News. He covers all this.
NASA is going to fire 3 rockets at the upcoming solar eclipse. At the same time, multiple states declares state of emergency. They're telling people to stock up, get stuff ready that could last for 3 days, food, water.
He has a lot of stuff, and he talks about the converter, CERN, NASA. Check it out. A lot of information. I'll leave a link down below. There's more, so much more. And this website here that I discovered yesterday, and I listened to this one right here 5 days ago. Just put a little quip.
Have you guys seen what's happening in the news right now?
Well, Mackenzie, I tell you what, I've gotten a lot of emails and text messages, some of those signs that have already transpired. And then we have to look very carefully at this eclipse and see, you know, what it means and is it part of prophecy?
Okay, highly recommended. They got 3 parts. They got this one, April 8th. Check out this one 3 days ago, and this one 2 days ago. These 3 right here will give you a lot of insight. Rex is also on it. This site right here, check it out. Rex, he's on it. He's covering it. He posted this 3 weeks ago. Highly recommend it. There's a lot of interest, as you can see by just the view count on the eclipse. Rex is on it too. There's so many others that I mentioned before in my prior comment videos, and a lot of these people are getting they're getting revelation from the Holy Spirit via God. We already had evidence of the Schumann resonance giving a light from the middle of the galaxy, the middle of the Milky Way, the middle of the universe that penetrated Earth. I covered that also. People are getting revelation, dreams, visions, pieces, nugget. I call them golden nugget. I mean, everybody's getting a different golden nugget while another person's getting another one. Basically is encouraging everybody to get together and share and work together on this one. That's why God is putting nuggets here, there, scattered. That matches up. The pieces of the puzzle are fitting perfectly. I have more, but I'm absorbing and listening to as many as I can, people that are giving out revelation, because I'm going to come up with my take because of what I done for a long time. The stars, the comet. The comet is like a bouncing ball messenger. And what the comet is telling me. So maybe I could throw some nuggets. I already have some nuggets. I already been putting nuggets on the table, but I have more nuggets to put on the table that will what's the word? Que la palabra? Reinforce what they're seeing, back up what they're seeing, support what they're seeing, support what they're feeling, support what they're revealing, support. We got to work together. You're going to have religious differences. People are going to be revealed for what they are, who preach do this, but in reality, they'll shut you down if you come with the truth. I'll point that out too. Yes, this is going to be interesting as I merge into the highway of the solar eclipse, where 97% plus their attention is focused, and it will get intensified as the dates get closer. Right now, there's still time. I mean, people are starting to hear this from TikTok, from Facebook, from Twitter X, from YouTube, on and on and on, Instagram. I could go on and on forever. The attention is starting to focus. And again, from my side, my perspective as a comet watcher, we are not getting no images of the comet. The ancient comet, I call it. It makes sense as I study this and I keep an eye on my stuff as we merge together. I hope some of this makes some sense. I got some nuggets, and I'm going to make that a separate video. Until next time, Red Father out.